In this quick Xero explanation, I'm going to walk you through how to enter a credit card opening balance in Xero, which is a crucial step if you're setting up your finances and want to start tracking your credit card activity from day one. Stick with me till the end, and I'll share a bonus tip that will make this process even smoother. If you're new to Xero, it's an accounting software designed to help you manage your business finances. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or even handling finances for a larger company, entering opening balances accurately is key to keeping your financial data in order. To start, you'll need to go into your Xero account and navigate to the accounting menu at the top, then select Bank Accounts. From here, you'll see a list of all your bank and credit card accounts that you've set up in Xero. If you haven't set up your credit card account yet, click on Add Bank Account and select Credit Card from the options available. Once your credit card is set up, it's time to enter the opening balance. The opening balance is essentially the amount of money your credit card had when you first started tracking it in Xero, which could be a balance from a prior month or just the starting amount when you first opened the card. To do this, click on the Manage Account button, then select Opening Balances. You'll need to enter the date when your credit card balance is being recorded. This is typically the date when you start using Xero to track the credit card, or if you've just started using Xero for your business, the date that aligns with your financial records. In the opening balance window, you'll be prompted to enter the amount for your credit card. This is the amount that your credit card statement shows at the time of recording the opening balance. For example, if your credit card had $1,500 when you started using Xero, enter that amount. Make sure you're entering the balance as a negative figure since it's money that you owe. Next, click Save to update your credit card's opening balance. That's it. Your credit card is now accurately set up with an opening balance, and from here you can start adding your transactions, reconciling statements, and tracking expenses. This ensures that your financial records stay up to date and accurate. If you're unsure about how to manage your credit card transactions in the future, Xero makes it easy to reconcile payments and purchases directly from your credit card provider's statements. Remember, whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, entering the opening balance correctly is critical to avoid any discrepancies down the line. Now here's the bonus tip I promised. When you're setting up your accounts, always double check your statement date and balance to ensure the accuracy of your opening balance. This will save you time in the long run by preventing errors when reconciling future transactions. And if you haven't started using Xero yet, you can access this software for free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of your accounting experience. Be sure to check it out. In summary, entering a credit card opening balance in Xero is simple and quick. Make sure to enter the amount as a negative figure, pick the correct start date, and double check your balance for accuracy. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into more advanced Xero tips and tricks. Don't forget to grab your free trial to Xero using the link below. Take advantage of this exclusive offer.